Today we're at 310 Lamar Lane in Covington, Georgia, performing a repair, and we're going to document this. As you can see here, before we start, this is the shingle that we are removing. And as you can see, there are no visible creases in comparison above as we start. So as of right now, we're good to go. And I'm getting a good angle showing that he's not lifting it more than 45 degrees. Just lifting it high enough to remove the nail head. He will be also doing this with due diligent care. So will not be being too rough. As you can see from this angle, slightly already having some creasing appear here in the middle. He is sliding very loose granules on these as well. But as you can see, there's creasing visibly already starting to appear. And he has not been rough or lifted these shingles higher than a 45-degree angle to remove these nails. He's just doing the proper work to do a repair. Lifting it high enough just to get that nail out and see where it is. The shingle has been pulled cleanly. We are going back with the same like, kind, and quality 3-tab shingle. Shadow's in the way a little bit, but as you can see, the top of the shingle above the one we're repairing has already received creasing, as well as the row above that one is starting to see it as well. As you can tell, not lifting it higher than 45 degrees, just getting it high enough to drive a flush nail for a proper repair and install. Same here on the next shingle. This is a steeper roof, so this is a good angle for you to be able to see that this is not higher than 45 degrees. He is not hitting the shingle or being rough in any way. I'm going to sit here, so I'm able to drive it flush. As you can see here, clear creasing in these. We do have a documented before and after section, as well as a control area right here beside that I forgot to show at the beginning of this video of the section beside the one we're doing the repair in. So you can see the comparison here. Area that was not touched, that was left unrepaired or undamaged, and one that we did a repair on.